Halo semua, lagi dan lagi kita mau nonton lomba storytelling ya. Ayo ikut aku.
You make understanding. Go back, an old man. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Samuel. Teaching from Al-Qaeda Islamic Boarding School. Today I'd like to tell you about entitled Monday Tingkat. So let's start the story with once upon a time. So once upon a time, fishing going to rest my turn. Lived poor widow, and her son, Monday Tingkat. Every day, he was to rest her son. Monday was well known as Mike. Cleaver and diligent. The mother was dealing with the law, and the Lord life was very short. And the mother went to herself. Well, Molly could not think his problem. He used to stay in the fridge, looking at my big ship shower in the city. Then he imagined his battle luck in the future. He had a brilliant mission to be successful.
Mother, I want to take permission to work in the city. Will you bury me?
Monday. What? Work in the city? No, I don't want to listen. You are your son.
Mother, I will not forget about you. I want to change our business.
At the end, the mother buried him. Okay, buddy. But remember, don't forget to go home because mother will always miss you. Day after day, month after month, even year after year passed. There was no loss of money. Every day, mother's mother will give me a picture. She called herself here, where she was going. Do you know where mother is, guys? No. Does money get some problems? Oh, my God. Money didn't die. He was happily and lucky to stay well here. He became a rich man and married with a beautiful girl. It was daughter of now. No money was needed for groceries and spectacle. Really, he stood tall and very poor. He arrived. Beautiful wife. However, the mother ran and hugged her. My name is son. I miss you so much, money. You have been loved God and information. Whoa, right. Ah! Who are you? You make matters dirty. Go back for my old man. Honey was silent except his father and his wife, and he pushed his mother. Remember the thing I raised you up. I don't know you. You are not my mother. My mother is not dirty and not like you. What is she actually doing? My next wife. She is just a beggar who comes to be my mother. His mother was surprised. he was perfect. With every and tears falling, she looked up to the sky and prayed. Oh God, if he is not my son, I forgive him and make his life better. God, if he is my son, curse him to his stone. Curse him to his stone. Curse him to his stone. Just God, Son of the Eternal God. To a fool, thunder them loudly, and many people are screaming. Mother, forgive me, mother. I'm an innocent mother. Mother, forgive me, mother. Mother, forgive me, mother. Everything was too late. Hallelujah. Was so very interesting. The end from this story we can learn that never ever forget your mother. Because of your mother, we expect that you learn prayer.